Hi, my name is Raj Makar, and I'm the manager of Ambulatory Care Cardiorespiratory Services.
Hi, my name is Darlene Holmes and I'm the Cancer Patient Navigator. Well, I found too that when you're diagnosed with cancer, the emotions are running high, the stresses that you have are numerous at that time. So money seems to be a big stressor for people too. So I find that the foundation and the money from there lessens the burdens that the cancer patients have to deal with at that point. If they know that there's a little bit of money that can help them get to their treatments, they're definitely more willing to go for their treatments. I've had patients that won't go for treatments because they can't afford to go. So this makes a huge difference in the lives of their families and for them.
Managing the chemo clinic for the last 2 years, and I see the patients that come to the chemo clinic on a regular basis, so I'm familiar with the clinical side of it. But when Darlene approached me about this other aspect for this fund, that's when it really hit home to me, and I gave it a lot of thought about, which I hadn't before, to be honest with you, about the expenses that are involved for these patients, like with the traveling back and forth to Halifax, the groceries, oil to heat their homes, those types of things. I mean, sometimes we don't really think about that part of it, but that really is the bigger picture.
And when you have patients that are deciding to buy their medication for nausea compared to the groceries and having to choose between the two of them, it really does hit home at that point.
I think it has a tremendous impact on our community. The money that people donate to this fund, which was started by our hospital and our foundation, stays right in our community.
Yeah.
So the patients that have cancer benefit directly from that fund. And I know, like, the people that when you give, sometimes you don't always see or visually see that direct impact that it makes. And we're very fortunate that we get to see that every day. We're asking you if you can help us help them. And you can do that by donating through our foundation office here at Colchester East Hants Health Center. It hasn't touched you now. It will at some point.
It will.